Welcome to another wonderful watercolor, and I want to start with the sky and the clouds. I know that a lot of you are afraid of just a giant sky. I used to be, but basically, if you want to put some clouds in the sky, just leave it blank, and the rest of it, just color it with like a blue, like an ultramarine that always works very well. Um, and the farther you go, so that means the lower you are on the horizon, the smaller the clouds are going to be. And I'm actually repainting this. I'm not supposed to, but I don't know, for some reason I started repainting the sky. It didn't probably feel that was dark enough, so I wanted it darker. I'm also going to darken these clouds because they're way too white. They're never like this in nature. So I'm adding some gray color to the clouds, which is just, it's a cloud that's basically saturated with water. And I'm adding the some of the gray in the clouds. So they are almost like rainy clouds, but not really. And I'm putting some more gray in these white puffy clouds up here, which is always nice because they're never completely white. If you look at the clouds in the sky, there's always a little bit of gray in them, or there's a reflection of the sky in them. So if the sky is yellow, for example, then the clouds will pick up the yellow. And speaking of yellow, I'm starting to do the landscape here, and you can do yellow, which is probably a field with the grain or something, and then you can do green, which is obviously grass or something like that, and you can alternate. So there's not going to be just one color, there's going to be different colors in the landscape, and the more detailed you are, the better. And the colors are going to be darker as they come closer to you. So that field on the bottom is the closest to you, and that's going to be the darkest one. And as you go farther away, like those little mountains in the background, they're going to be kind of bluish. So it's kind of a rule of thumb that whatever is farther away, it's going to be bluish, and whatever is closer to you, it's going to have much darker value, and it's going to be of the real color. So if it's green, it's going to be green. If it's brown, it's going to be brown. But as you go further in the depth of field, that color is going to tend to go to a blue. And I have some grass here and some cypress trees. Nothing major, but I'm going to do these details last because they're going to be the darkest. And of course the cypress trees, and yeah, you can do these last because they're going to be the details basically of the painting. And then I put some more trees there, which are in the background, but they're still darker. These are regular trees, they're not cypress trees. I think I could have put some birds in the sky, but I didn't. I kind of forgot, but I'm just gonna put some more color here, the green one. I didn't like the green because it was too pale. So anyways, here it is. Enjoy, like, and subscribe if you'd like to, and see you next time.